about how to access my Canvas course and how to navigate it to make it a little bit easier for you. First thing you want to do is the same way you would with any class, you're going to go to courses. I'm actually skipping this part because it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll click on courses like you normally do. You're going to look for the 2021 Hilton 8th grade boys fitness, and you'll do this for all. If you're seventh grade, 8th grade, doesn't matter. It's all in the same spot. Once you're here, click home, and here's how I've set up the navigation. We've got a welcome. We've got an explanation of what we're going to be talking about the first quarter, and this is really, I'm going to readjust this quarter by quarter, but for the first quarter, it's going to look like this. Some contact information. By the way, the best way to contact me is email. I'm pretty much checking it all day and into the evening as well if you have any questions. Now, here's the most important thing. This is how you're going to access what we're doing each week. And I want you to think of this in terms of 1 week at a time. This is the introductory week. It's not a typical week, so I'm actually just going to skip it for right now. And I'm going to go to week 2 to show you what the first week's going to look like of actual teaching and content and things like that. So you're going to click on this. And by the way, I'm also in edit mode. It'll look a little bit different when you're viewing it because it's in student mode. So I'm going to click on this. And it's going to take me to week 2, August 31st, September 4th. Okay, I've tried to organize this in as clear and simple a way as I can. These bold topics basically separate tasks. So our first week 1 topics, we're going to talk about skill-related components of health, agility, anaerobics front squat, aerobic is 400 meters. So this is what we're going to basically learn this week. So this is what we're going to learn. This is what we're going to do. So for Monday, when we meet Monday and everybody meets Monday, we're going to talk about these topics. Then your block day 1 and block day 2. So you have 2 more classes during the week, whether it's on Tuesday, Thursday, or Monday, Friday. That's why I'm using the term block day 1 and 2 instead of specific days. So for your block day 1, your first other day, you'll do this assignment. For your second one, you'll do this assignment. Okay, so this is tasks. What we're learning, what we're doing, and then down here is material and turn-in. Okay, so on a Monday, to make it nice and simple, if you go down to where it says material for Monday's assignments, I expect you to do this item, this item, this item, and this item. Some of these are resources, like the video, the link, and this, and the quiz is an assignment. You'll receive a grade for it. Okay, so that's Monday. So we'll meet in our Zoom for our class. We'll talk about all this stuff. You'll click on this and you'll take this quiz. That's on Monday. Every Monday will look like that. Then you have your block 1 and your block 2 day. Okay, so your first day you should do this assignment. Second day you should do this assignment. I'm going to show you what that'll look like. So if I go into my block 1 and I click here, it's going, again, yours is going to look different again. In this particular case, you're going to make a video performing a front squat technique, and you'll upload it at this page. You'll receive a grade for that. Then for block 2, you should do this here, right? You're going to do this assignment. You'll upload it here, blah, blah, blah. All right, pretty straightforward. So each week's going to look like that. So in review real quick, we've got what we'll learn, what you should do, and down here is the items you need to do it and the things to do. We have Monday, block 1, block 2. These assignments, you should just do it by the end of the day. You'll in block 1 and block 2, you'll have time during class to complete this. This is something that should be done during class. We shouldn't be creating homework in this case. Monday, you'll look at this stuff and you can do the quiz right after the class. It won't take long. It's 5 questions and it's just intended to set you up for the week. So that's basically how this works. I'm going to go back to the main page so you can see. And every week for the first quarter is set up just like that. We'll discuss this every Monday, get you going, put you in a position to be successful. And that is how Canvas will navigate.